only known.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do an inspired look. This makeup and hair is inspired from a character named Tokyo from Netflix famous series Money Heist. If you haven't watched this show yet, you should. It is a great show. This look of Tokyo is from season 1 where they all went for a street party. I really liked this look and got inspired to recreate it. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, who is your favorite character from Money Heist and why? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to read it. So if you want to know how I transform myself into Tokyo, then please keep on watching. First, I'm taking this back pore primer and applying this to the areas where I have pores to blur them out and to have a smooth canvas for foundation application. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude and applying it in small dots all over my face and neck. Next, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and blending everything out in a dabbing motion for a more natural finish. Taking Elegal Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, I'm applying it in stripes under my eyes to cover any darkness. Also on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and forehead to highlight them. Also using as an eye primer to have a nice base for eyeshadows. With the help of the tip of the beauty blender, I am blending out the areas where I have put on concealer. Next, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium and I'm dabbing it under my eyes and wherever the areas where I have put on concealer to set them in place. With the help of a powder brush, I am brushing out any excess powder on my face. Taking the Savannah bronzer and picking up this cool brown shade, I'm placing it under my cheekbones and blending it to have a nice contour. For blush, I'm using this Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade Natural Beauty to have a subtle blush going on. Taking this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, I'm just using my fingers to put it on the high points of my face for some shine. Next, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Brown Pomade in the shade Medium Brown to fill up my eyebrows. I'm making horizontal strokes in the direction of my hair growth and making vertical strokes on the front. With the spoolie, I'm taking out excess product from my eyebrows. Next, using this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette and picking up this cool brown shade and applying it into the crease, focusing on the outer corner and dragging it outwards to have a smoked out effect. Taking some more brown, I'm darkening my crease to make it look more defined. Next, picking up this rosy champagne shade and putting it all over my eyelids using my finger to get maximum payoff and blending it out so there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Salted Caramel palette and picking this black shade and using it on the upper lash line and making a small wing with it. Using a pencil brush, I am smudging the liner so that it looks more smoked out. Also smudging my lower lash line to have sultry eyes. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild Nude pencil and lining my lower lash line with it to open up my eyes. With a clean blending brush, I'm blending it out to make it look seamless. Next, taking Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm coating my lashes 2-3 times to make it look longer as Tokyo had really long lashes. For my lips, I'm using Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Fiery Berry and I'm lining my Cupid's bow and my upper lip with it and then filling it in and lining my lower lip with it. With this L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade Pure Garnet, I'm dabbing it on the center of my lips to get more shine. And my makeup is done here. Now coming on to hairstyle, I am making a middle partition and then combing my hair so there are no knots whatsoever. Next, I am taking the front section of my hair to the back and keeping the lower back section to the front. Next, I am taking the top left section of my hair and combing it through and making a tight high ponytail. On the top right section of my hair, I am doing the same thing, grabbing my hair, combing it through and making a tight high ponytail. Next, I am grabbing one of the ponytail and wrapping it around my rubber band, keeping my ends all out in the front and securing it with a rubber band. Also using couple of bobby pins to secure everything in place. I'm taking out some ends out of my bun to get that messy look. The other side, I'm doing the same thing, wrapping my hair around like a bun and securing with a rubber band and some bobby pins while taking out some ends out of my bun. It doesn't need to be perfect, the messier the better. Next, I'm taking the leftover section to the back and combing it through and bringing it to the front. Now I'm just placing it on my forehead. You can also trim the ends for more defined line. Now adjust it parallel to your eyebrows and pin it up all so everything is well secured in place. After pinning it up, I have just trimmed the ends and now applying a hair serum for some shine and luster to the bangs. Next, I'm combing my fringes for a straighter look. If you don't have straight hair, you can use a straightener here. For accessories, I'm using this big silver hoops and this black choker with cross silver pendant that I made by myself. And here's the final look inspired by Tokyo. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.